Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Simple Happy Life. I'm Sabrina, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about what we're using to complement our unit studies, which is the Evan Moor Homeschool Curriculum. I didn't even know they had one until I checked out their site back in February, and I saw all these great workbooks that they have put together for a homeschool curriculum. Now, I went in and got the fourth grade ebooks while they were on sale for 50% off, and they have some really great sales that go on throughout the year. So I picked up those and I printed them out slowly with our HP Instant Ink program. But I love that they have this pacing guide for you, and now they have this digital homeschool planner. I did not see that when I purchased this. I'm going to have to see how I can get it. I also purchased the second grade, because I'm a second grader, and you see all these workbooks here are just going to be such great resources for us. They have a pacing guide, and then the digital homeschool planner for these workbooks as well. Today I'm going to show you into the reading one. We've already started this one, and Cameron's loving it. So Cam has already started using the Skill Sharpeners for reading, and they have other Skill Sharpeners in the series. They have spell and write, reading, math, science, critical thinking, which we're going to be using for logic, geography, and grammar and punctuation. And they have these for pre-K through sixth grade. I really like that this reading workbook not only focuses on comprehension, but they have vocabulary and phonics and some other grammar concepts and writing and reference skills. So just some other language arts skills are intertwined throughout these lessons or stories. And there's 15 of them. And we've done 2 so far. So we're not going to use these just in order. We've already done the first one just because Cameron said he wanted to do the first one. He chose it and wanted to read Happy Birthday, Lee. So he read through this cute little story. And I like that they have, like, after you read, this one says to practice this page and make it sound like the people feel happy, excited, sick, and read the page to an adult. So he did that and had fun doing that. And then he worked his way through the activities. And so this story, which I think most of the stories have 6 activities or pages for them to do. And he really liked it. I think it's confidence building for him that he was able to read this and do this on his own. And I checked over it, and he did a good job. And so we did another one. We did the a visit to the Monterey Bay Aquarium during our Shark Week. And so I'll show you that one. So that one's in the back of the book. Now, I do plan to take this book apart. I just left it together because I felt like it would be easier to show you guys with it still bound. But I like these workbooks because I can just take the pages that I need. And before we were pre-COVID, we were traveling with my husband for work. So we could just take the work that we needed, do it quickly, and then spend our time exploring the city. So he learned about sea life in this one, and then he answered the questions. He really enjoyed this activity. He said that to tell you guys that was his favorite. He loved the crossword puzzle, and he hadn't done one on his own before. So that was really fun. And then this one, I felt like it would confuse him if to actually write the J beside like Jim. I don't know. I felt like that would confuse him. Either or you will start to learn how your children think and what will click and what will connect and what will confuse. And I felt like that would confuse him. So we just did this orally. And then he only gave me 1 sentence here, but that's okay. We're new to this. And so I think he enjoyed this tracking form as well. In some of our other curriculum, he has stickers to put on his progress chart. And so for this one, he colored them in. I may give him some stickers later, but this is always fun for him to see, what he's completed. And so, like I said, most of the lessons have like 6 activities to go with them. I think these 2 are poems, and they only have 2 activities to go along with them. And so, there's an answer key back here. And I'll probably take that out and put it in like my teacher binder so that, if I need to reference those, I can, but he will eventually notice that this is back here and may not feel like doing the work one day and look. So I think we're really going to enjoy this. We just went, we were supposed to go camping this weekend, but it rained on us, so we didn't get to go camping that night, but we did go to the campsite and hang out the next day. And so this week I'm going to have him work through this story. And then in the fall, when we kind of start, we always try to do like an apple day in the fall and make a really yummy apple dessert. Then there's a story about, what's it called? The case of the missing apples here. So we'll do that story. But that's it, guys. It's nice. It's simple. Cameron can follow it, which I love. It's reinforcing of things that we are working on in our units. And this also gives him a chance to practice being independent and taking initiative for his work. Now, of course, I'm there to guide him if he needs it. But like I said, this is for him to grow and learn and be independent and gain confidence in working through things on his own. So that's it, guys. I will be back to share more of the Evan Moor homeschool curriculum and how we're using it this year, how I'm planning it in our school days so we're not overwhelmed and not doing too much. If you watch my other videos, you know some of the other things that we'll be doing in our homeschool. And right now I'm working on scheduling that out so that we have space to breathe and to spend time on things and not feel like we're getting behind or anything. But that's it for this video. If you've enjoyed it or found it helpful, please remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon, guys. Bye.